Hi, I'm Oluwasegun from Ibadan, or to be precise. I'm a professional electrical engineer. I won. I'm first electrician in the whole world now. You know. Firstly, I would say it's a lesson. I was there last year in which I completed. I failed, but I decided to try again this year. So it's a lesson that once you fall, you can rise again. So I came again to win it. I feel blessed. I feel fulfilled. I have at least perform what I know I can do better. My first production was a feather plucking machine that roasts around chicken, in which I was putting my spotlight. For this year, I was getting people to patronize me, getting people to believe in what Nigerians can do. That's the most toughest part of it. I want to have a production company where we have electrical gadgets made in Nigeria, better, cheaper, and easier to produce. I'm very grateful for this great opportunity to show what I can do to the world, to give me a chance to tell the world I got skills. I have what I can do to make, to show forth. I'm so happy and I thank you for this great opportunity.